Cool. Okay. All right. So I'm going to turn down the music and I'm going to spotlight myself too. There we go. And let's turn the music down and we'll get started. Okay. So I'm hoping you can see me big, right? Am I big for you? Is that, you can see me right on the big screen? Yep. Okay, good. All right. So, well, it's good to see you all. Yes, it's good to see you all. And we're going to do some fun things today. And one of the things we're going to do is listen to different sounds. Some sounds are going to be high and some sounds are going to be low. So I'm going to play the first sound for you. Here it is, and I'm going to move back a little bit. You ready? Let's see what it sounds like. I'll do it again. And was that high or low? That was a high sound, right? Can you make a high sound? Can you do that? Let's try that. Let's go. Wee! Try that. You do that. Wee! Yee! That's a high sound. Try that. Yee! Yee! Yeah, that's a high sound. Like this. High! Okay, well now I'm going to show you some low sounds. So let's listen. So first of all, this is called a recorder. Oh, let me turn my background off so you can see what I'm showing you. There we go. Now you can see. So first I'm going to play this. You know that. That's Eensy Weensy Spider. Eensy Weensy Spider, right? But now, let's see what I have. I have a little one. It's a little recorder. Let's see what this sounds like. Wow, that's little, and it's high too, right? Wow, we're doing high sounds. Now, get ready because I have another flute with me. Here's your little baby flute. Let's see what this sounds like. But now, let's see if we can hear some low sounds. So, now I'm going to play you a big flute. Wow! Let's see if this sounds different. You ready? And that's very low. Low. Can you say the word low? Because low sounds like low. Low. Say that. That's low. Wow. Oh, here's another low sound we heard before. You ready? This one you may remember. Here we go. And that sounds like ooh. Can you go ooh? Yes. All right. And now I'm going to show you one more thing. I'm going to show you people that can sing really low. Watch this. This is amazing. I'm going to show you a video. I think the teachers will like this too. Let's see if I can find this. Oh, sorry, give me 1 second here. I have to find my... I hope this is the right screen here. Oh, nope, not quite. Okay. I have lots of things up here. I lost... Oh, here it is. Okay, so get ready because you're going to hear somebody singing really, really low. Here we go. Whoops. Oh, that was the wrong video. All right, I seem to be having some troubles here. Well, I seem to have lost my... here we go. Whoa. They're singing low. Whoa. Wow, is that low? So can you sing that? Whoa, do that. Whoa, whoa, and that's a low sound. Yes, very good. That's great, wonderful. Now, let's try to do high and low together. Can you go wee? And now go woo, wee, woo, wee, woo. High and low. Wow. Okay. Well, now I'm going to show you a low sound. Get ready. Here we go. Very low sound. Look at this. Wow. Is that big? That's big. Let's see what it sounds like. And that's ooh, so say ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, well now I'm going to show you something else. Okay. This is called Didjeridoo, Didjeridoo. And look, there's a hole. Let's see what's inside the hole. You ready? I'm going to take a flashlight. Let's see what's inside. Look, there's a hole in there. It's a tree branch. I can see inside the hole. Whoa, cool, right? Something inside. And now I can make a sound, and I'm going to make some funny sounds. You ready? That was a weird sound. I'm gonna make, okay, this is fun. We're making some funny sounds. I'm gonna make some more funny sounds. You ready? Then we're gonna make some funny sounds together. Whoa. That's called the jaw harp. And that's a strange sound too. Let's make some sounds together. We're going to do vowel sounds. Can you say A, I, O, U, meow, meow? Can you make that with your sound, with your mouth? Meow, 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 meow. Do that. Meow, 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 meow. That sounds funny, right? Meow, meow, meow. Okay, now I'm going to make those sounds in this. Ready? I'm gonna make some animal sounds. What do you think this is? And what's that? That's a dog, right? Can you make a dog sound? Make a dog sound. Go roof, roof, roof. Roof, roof. Roof, roof. Okay, now try a high one. Roof, roof, roof. Roof, roof, roof. Roof, 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 roof. And that's a dog sound. Here's another animal sound. You ready? And that's an elephant sound. And an elephant has a trunk and it goes, ooh, ooh. Can you do that? Ooh, ooh. That's an elephant sound. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a bird sound and it goes like this. And that's the sound of a bird and it goes go 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 go. Can you try that? Go 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 go. That's called a kookaburra from Australia. Well, I'm going to show you a video of the kookaburra. I think you're going to like this. Get ready. So this is what the bird looks like in Australia. Here we go. Find my... And there we go. Okay. And here we go. Get ready. This is going to be funny. There's the bird. Let's see what it sounds like. Wow. Isn't that fun? It sounds like the bird is laughing. Wow, it is laughing and it's going go 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 like that. Can you make a sound like that? Go 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 go. Okay, well now I'm going to play you some music on the didgeridoo, and if you want to clap with me, you can. And maybe for the teachers, if you want to dance, they can do that too. All right, here we go. I'm going to rest this on the chair. Ooh, because it's a little heavy. There we go, like that. Okay, here we go. Sounds like. Do you want to clap with me? Actually, if you want to get the kids up and jumping up and down, you can do that. It's fun to do that with the didgeridoo. You can clap or you can move your body. Okay. Oh, I have to catch my breath. That was fun. I saw some of you making sounds. So, by the way, I just wanted to remind any teachers in the room, you can use cardboard tubes to make the sounds, you know, amplify the voice. Woof, 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 woof. Woo! It's fun to make sounds just in the tubes like that. If you can get, wrapping paper or paper towel tubes. Ah, okay. Hey, let's see. I'm going to show you now. Here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna find here we go. Okay. So I'm gonna show you a little video of Aborigines playing the didgeridoo. And here we go. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, you're gonna hear some deep sounds, and let's see. Here's a little bit. I'm gonna jump around here, and let's see what this sounds like. That's what it sounds like when they're playing it. There we go. So that's what the instrument sounds like. Now watch, there's going to be children, boys, who are dancing to that. Here we go.
Jingary, welcome.
So that's some of the sounds of the didgeridoo in Australia and the dancing, which I just discovered, and I had never seen that before myself, so I thought that was really amazing. Okay, well, let's do one more sound before we leave. Let's go back to the bowl, and let's just listen to the bowl. And we're going to sing Om together. You ready? Here we go. Sing that. Okay. Thank you, everybody, for being here with me. And I will see you again. I think it's next week when we see each other. Have a beautiful day, everybody. Bye-bye. 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 All right, I'll mute. Actually, I'll unmute so you can hear. Okay. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.